Manifestation. Everyone talks about it, but few understand the science behind it. It's not magic. It's deliberate creation, training your brain and body to believe in a reality before your senses can see it. It is the art and science of focusing your attention, emotions, and energy on what you want to experience, not what your senses report right now. Neuroscience calls this neuroplasticity, your brain's ability to rewire itself through thought and repetition, as reported by Hebb in 1949. Quantum physics calls it the observer effect, reality responding to focus. Psychologists refer to this phenomenon as self-directed neuroplasticity, a concept explored by Jeffrey M. Schwartz. The truth is, what you repeatedly think, feel, and do becomes your personality, your habits, and ultimately, your life. Before you begin, choose one clear vision to focus on: a new job, a certain income, radiant health, or a deep, committed relationship. Write it in one short sentence, and turn it into a daily affirmation. For example, I am so happy and grateful that I now earn this amount. Specify it, a month doing work I love. I am so happy and grateful that I'm in a healthy, loving, committed relationship. I am so happy and grateful that my body is strong, calm, and vibrant. This affirmation will anchor your focus throughout the 5 steps. So, why the same thoughts create the same life? Every morning, the majority of people unconsciously recreate yesterday. Dr. Joe Dispenza reminds us that 95% of our thoughts are repetitive, and most are identical to the day before. Dr. Rick Hansen explains that the brain's negativity bias keeps wiring familiar stress patterns unless we consciously install new ones. To experience something new, you must install a new program. Let's go through 5 science-backed steps to reprogram your brain and body into a new reality. Step 1. Calm your nervous system. A stressed body cannot reprogram. When cortisol dominates, the brain is stuck in survival, scanning for danger, not opportunity. Likewise, a brain in survival mode cannot reprogram. When cortisol floods the body, the limbic system overrides the prefrontal cortex, your creative center. So the first step is to regulate your nervous system. Meditation, slow breathing, nature walks, or mindful stillness shift your brain from high beta stress waves into alpha and theta, the relaxed states measured by Dr. Richard Davidson's EEG studies at the University of Wisconsin. The research shows that consistent mindfulness strengthens emotional regulation and reshapes the prefrontal cortex, your decision center. In these states, the body and mind reconnect. The door to the subconscious opens. The still mind becomes the most powerful observer, shaping reality. Step 2. Coherence. Align mind and body. Once calm, bring your inner world into coherence. The stable synchrony between heart, breath, and brain. Research from the HeartMath Institute shows that when heart rate variability becomes coherent, the brain's alpha waves synchronize, producing clarity and emotional stability. Heart-brain synchrony creates a stable electromagnetic field that influences the body's biology. When your thoughts and feelings match, you become energetically coherent. In a coherent system from the quantum perspectives, particles vibrate in harmony. Your heart and brain do the same. Alignment within creates resonance with matching realities without. Make up your mind about what you want. Dr. Bruce Lipton explains, the subconscious runs 95% of our life, but it follows the program we choose. Stability of emotion equals stability of creation. Step 3. Visualize and feel it as now. The brain cannot distinguish imagination from reality. According to the principle of superposition of quantum mechanics, every potential reality already exists and exists in multiple theoretical states at the same time. The one you emotionally experience, vividly and consistently, is the one your focus collapses into being. Harvard neuroscientist Alvaro Pascual Leone trained 2 groups on a piano exercise, one physically, one mentally. After 5 days, both groups showed identical cortical growth in the motor area. At the Cleveland Clinic, Dr. Guang Yue found that athletes who only imagined lifting weights increased muscle strength by 13%. Your sensory and emotional circuits fire together. See it, feel it, hear it, touch it, smell it, as if it's happening right now. So when you visualize, engage all your senses. See the details of your environment, hear the sounds, smell the air, feel the temperature and texture, taste the coffee in your new office or the ocean breeze on your face. Feel the texture under your hands, the sound of your own laughter. Emotion is the signal your subconscious understands. As neuroscientist Antonio Damasio showed, feeling is the bridge between thought and action. The more vividly and emotionally you rehearse the scene, the faster your neurons wire that reality. At first it feels exciting, then natural, and that's the goal. When it feels normal, the subconscious accepts it as true. Step 4. Persist until it feels automatic. Repetition is how neurons commit. Repetition wires the brain. Donald Hebb's classic principle: neurons that fire together, wire together. Each mental rehearsal strengthens synaptic connections until the new pattern becomes effortless. Dr. Andrew Huberman at Stanford confirms, consistent repetition with elevated emotion accelerates neuroplastic change. So persist. Not through force, through gentle consistency. Your brain will start filtering reality for matching signals, people, places, chances that fit your new identity. Repetition wires the new pattern. Gentle consistency turns new thoughts into instinct. Energy follows attention, and attention creates momentum. Just as particles stabilize through repeated observation, your new reality stabilizes through repetition and emotional charge. Step 5. Embody the new identity. Be the new version of you. Become your future self. Now, not tomorrow, not next week, month, or year. Think, feel, and act as if it's already true. Behavior teaches the subconscious faster than words. Walk, speak, and make choices from the version of you who already has it. In the quantum field, you don't attract what you want. You align with what you are. By embodying the vibration of your desired self, you resonate with its timeline. Mirror neurons, discovered by Giacomo Rizzolatti's team in Parma, show that the brain learns identity through imitation, even when the model is your future self. As Dr. Joe Dispenza says, you don't get what you want, you get who you are. These are the 5 practical foundations of manifestation, rooted in neuroscience and psychology. Calm the body, align the mind, visualize with emotion, repeat, and embody. Each step mirrors a quantum law. Stillness collapses probability. Coherence synchronizes energy. Emotion selects reality. Repetition stabilizes it. And embodiment aligns you with it. Try it for 30 days and record what happens. The coincidences, synchronicities, and subtle shifts. I'd love to hear about your experience. Please share your results in the comments below. And if you haven't yet watched Neuroscience of Shifting Realities, Parallel Universe Switch, it's linked right under this video. The perfect foundation before applying these steps. For further reading, explore the cited authors. Their work bridges theory and practice. You'll find the Amazon links below. Supporting the channel helps us create more free resources like this. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to Quantum Life for more videos. Remember, your mind is programmable, and you're the programmer.